So you decide to move the washer machine, and it should be easy enough. You just turn off the valve and disconnect the hose, only to find out you have a leak. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this quick and easy. Now, do keep in mind I'm not a licensed plumber, so this isn't a plumbing advice. I'm just going to show you how I fix this myself. Whatever you do at your own risk. Now, let's get started. So to fix this, I use a shark bite garden valve for 1/2 inch copper pipe. This is what it looks like. And this is pretty easy. You just pretty much stick this into the pipe, and it uses a compression O-ring seal to create a watertight seal. So before doing anything, I turn off the water to the house. Otherwise, there'll be a swimming pool in the garage when I go to cut the pipe. And this is what I use to cut the pipe. It's a copper tube cutter. Looks like this. The only issue is there's not enough space for me to get behind it and cut it properly. But have no fear, tin snips to the rescue. What are we going to use the tin snips for? We're going to use them to cut the escutcheon plate. And this is the escutcheon plate. Didn't know that's what it was called. And once that's removed, we can start cutting. Again, I also like to make sure that the water is turned off by opening the valve. Don't want to cut a pipe and have tons of water coming out. So the pipe cutting tool just kind of goes around the pipe like this. Then you tighten it up once you get it in the right spot. And then you just move it around the pipe. I usually like to go around 2 times, then tighten it a little bit more, and keep doing that until finally the pipe gets cut. And it might be a little hard to tighten, so after a while I'll start using pliers. Give about a quarter turn, and then go all the way around the pipe 1 or 2 times, and then give another quarter turn, and just keep doing that. There we go, pipe is now cut. Now we just need to deburr our cut pipe using some sandpaper, and I'll show you how to do that real quick. Yeah, I'm using 100 grit sandpaper. You can use really any grit, like 200. Doesn't really matter, because copper is pretty easy to sand. Also make sure to sand the inside of the pipe too. Now we're ready to take our new shark bite valve and just push it in. Want to push it in until it's in nice and good. Don't want to push too hard because you don't want to break the pipes in behind the wall, but you do want to push hard enough where it makes a good tight fit. Oh, and then one more thing too is that after you put the shark bite in, it will spin. It's kind of like a feature. Now we go back outside and turn on the water to the house. Hopefully there's no leaks. Good thing I remembered to turn off the valve, because that would have been really bad. Yep, and it looks like there's no leaks. Looks pretty dry. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe so I can keep posting more videos like this. That fixed my problem and hopefully got some value out of this. Thanks for watching.